Good morning, my dear students. Hope you are enjoying good health. Let's continue our chapter 16 on the topic light. And in the last session, we have tried to understand about the human eye, which is one of the very delicate sense organ of human body out of the five senses we are having. Okay, and in that we have tried to understand the structure in a simple way. What are the parts in a human eye? What are their different functions? What is the function of iris? What is the function of ciliary muscles? What function is being taken up by the lens, cornea, all that, and retina? Then we have tried to understand about the blind spot by doing this simple activity. Blind spot, okay? Then we have tried to understand what is meant by persistence of vision. That means if for a moment, for some time, the image formed on the retina remains there even if the object has been removed from the eyesight. यानी आपकी आंखों से जिस ऑब्जेक्ट का इमेज आपकी रेटिना पे बना है वो ऑब्जेक्ट रिमूव भी कर दिया जाता है फॉर 1/16th part of a second, that image remains and that has become the basis of watching the movie. यानी जो हम एक्शंस में चीजें देखते हैं इट इज बिकॉज ऑफ दैट. क्यों? जो एक्शन वाली स्टिल पिक्चर्स हैं दे आर प्रोजेक्टेड ऑन द स्क्रीन at a rate of 24 pics per second, which is more than 16. All this we have studied. Okay, then we have studied about the what? Range of vision. Far point, near point. Okay, and far point, near point. That means our eye is having the quality to adjust to see the far away objects and the near objects. Far away is infinity. Near objects, it should be kept at a distance of about 25 centimeter. कैसे होता है ये मैंने आपको स्टार्टिंग में बताया था, एक बार हम फिर रिपीट करते हैं. ये जो आपके सिलियरी मसल्स हैं, they can relax. When they relax, the convex lens elongates. उसकी जो कन्वर्सिंग पावर है वो रिड्यूस हो जाती है. हम दूर की चीजें देख पाते हैं, फार अवे, इंफिनिटी वाली. ओके, एंड व्हेन they what instead of relaxing they extend, the ciliary muscle extend. वो बड़े होते हैं, contact lens जो है relaxing mood में आता है, it becomes more bulky, converging power increases and we can see the nearby things. तो near distance के लिए it takes some time to adjust the eye and for this pupil and all that, when from bright light we are going to dark and all that also when we are going to a cinema hall. We have all that we have studied in the last lesson. Okay. Now coming to the what next, which is connected with the human eye. What are the defects of eye? Defects means what the problems can be there. Sometime, okay, when you are sitting, there it might be that out of the 30 students of the class, one may not be in a position to, while sitting bit away, that means on the last bench, he may not be in a position to see the board clearly, distinctively. That means the alphabets written on the board are not that much clear, which are clear to the others. Reason can be that there is no proper light and all. When proper light is there, it is visible to others and not visible to the last man or the man sitting next to him. That means even if he is sitting in the middle of the class, but he is not in a position to see what is written on the board clearly and distinctively. What is meant by this? That he cannot see the far away objects, but yes, he can read his book clearly. That is the problem, defect of the eyesight. And what is that defect? That defect is known as the myopia. Myopia cannot see far away objects. But he can read the book clearly. When he is doing the homework, he is not facing any problem. So How to take care of this, that we will discuss when we will take the taking care of the eyes. How to take care of your eye, उसमें हम पढ़ेंगे. Yes, myopia. Reason क्या है बच्चों इसमें? What is the reason behind this? Why that child is not in a position to see he cannot see the far away objects. He cannot see the things far away from. Reason can be two. हमने क्या पढ़ा था बच्चों? Ball of the eye, it is a spherical ball and image is formed on the retina. Lens, converging lens, convex lens, it makes, and when it is a convex lens, its focal length is there, it will converge the rays image on a particular point. Suppose if the ball is long, ball लंबी है, बड़ी है, तो क्या होगा? The image will be formed just उससे पहले, यानी बिफोर द रेटिना वो इमेज बन रही है. तो टू रीजंस, हाई कन्वर्जिंग और लॉन्ग आई बाल. हाई कन्वर्जिंग मीन्स जो लेंस है उसका वो हाई कन्वर्जिंग है, जो इमेज बन रही है वो रेटिना पे बनने की बजाय पहले बन रही है. इसी तरह अगर बॉल लंबी है, बॉल बड़ी है, लॉन्ग बॉल है, आई बॉल, ओके, तो उसमें क्या होगा? अगेन द इमेज विल बी फॉर्म बिफोर द रेटिना. दोनों बातों में इफ द हाई कन्वर्जिंग इज देयर और द आई बॉल इज लॉन्ग, इमेज विल बी फॉर्म नॉट ऑन द रेटिना, जस्ट अबव रेटिना, यानी पहले रेटिना से पहले बन जाएगी. एंड दिस टाइप ऑफ प्रॉब्लम कैन बी सेट राइट बाय यूजिंग concave lens of, okay, concave lens. अब इमेज कहां बन रही है? नॉट ऑन द रेटिना, इन फ्रंट ऑफ द रेटिना, रेटिना से पहले. सो इट कैन बी सेट राइट बाय यूजिंग द concave lens of the appropriate power, 0.25, 0.5 like this powers depending upon कितना कन्वर्जन उसका वो अपर्चर इनसाइड में है. ओके, नाउ hypermetropia. Hypermetropia is also a defect of the eyesight in which you can see a far away object but you cannot see the nearby objects. कहने का मतलब क्या? जब आप बुक पढ़ते हो तो आपको स्ट्रेन होती है, लेकिन जब आप दूर देख रहे हो, खेल रहे हो, कूद रहे हो, ग्राउंड में हो, कहीं भी हो, you are not finding any problem in seeing the objects clearly, but nearby objects are not clearly visible to you, and this type of defect is known as what? Hypermetropia. इसके भी वही दो रीजन है. क्या है? लो कन्वर्जिंग है. लो कन्वर्जिंग में क्या होगा? The image is not being formed on the retina, away from the retina. या आई बॉल इज स्मॉल, छोटी है, उसमें बड़ी थी, इसमें छोटी है, छोटी भी होगी. कन्वर्जिंग ऑफ द लेंस इज नॉट लो, इट इज ओके, बट व्हाट विल हैपन व्हेन द बॉल इज शॉर्ट, बॉल इज स्मॉल, अगेन बिहाइंड द रेटिना से परे निकल जाएगी इमेज, दूर जाके बनेगी, रेटिना के पॉइंट में नहीं बनेगी. दिस टाइप ऑफ प्रॉब्लम कैन बी corrected by using the convex lens. Okay, this is second type of defect of the problem. And third type of eyesight problem is the cataract. I should not say it is bound to come in everyone's life. Yes, generally at an older age this problem creeps in majority of the people. Cataract problem, majority मतलब ज्यादा लोगों में यह पाई जाती है. कुछ लोग इसको दे टेक केयर ऑफ दिस एंड गो फॉर द सर्जरी, एंड सम पीपल ओल्डर है, भाई 80 इयर्स के हो गए, अब कितना जीना है, क्या करना है, व्हाई टू वेस्ट द मनी, ये कॉन्सेप्ट भी आता है. बट यस, इन मेजोरिटी ऑफ द, किसी में कुछ ज्यादा है, किसी में कुछ कम है. एंड व्हाट इज दिस कैटरेक्ट? कैटरेक्ट क्या है बच्चों? जो आपका कॉर्निया है, विच इज द आउटर पार्ट ऑफ द योर आई, आउटर में, उसमें क्या है बच्चों? इट बिकम्स स्मोकी, क्लाउडी, यानी धुंधला हो जाता है. कैसे हो जाता है धुंधला, स्मोकी या क्लाउडी कैसे हो जाता है? स्मॉल मेम्ब्रेन्स इज डिपोजिटेड ओवर इट. वो सेल्स की जो एक लेयर ऊपर, यानी कहने का मतलब क्या है, वो एक तरह से जो आपका कॉर्निया था, ट्रांसपेरेंट था, वो ट्रांसलूसेंट हो जाता है. From transparent to translucent by a membrane covering. A separate membrane slowly and slowly covers the cornea. That is a problem of cataract. धीरे धीरे slowly and slowly you lose the eyesight, and time may come you cannot see at all. You cannot see at all. And this type of problem cannot be set right or cannot be corrected by using any type of glasses, neither concave nor convex. Because इसमें क्या हुआ है? The cornea has been covered by a membrane. The cornea has become cloudy. It is not allowing the reflected light or light from the luminous source to go into your eyes. When the light will not go into your eyes, image will not be formed and you will not be in a position to see. And what is the treatment for this? Surgery is the only result. क्या करते हैं बच्चों? Earlier days, it used to take months and months to recover from this problem. But nowadays, it is a 10 minutes laser surgery is there. 10 minutes, 15 minutes job is there. What they do? They remove that outer membrane along with the lens. New lens, artificial lens is fitted. That's all. Okay. You go inside, come out, wearing a black thing, you can say sunglasses. Yes, कहानी खत्म हो गया काम. It's quite easy these days, this problem. Earlier it used to plan, we should not go in the summer season, sweat hota hai, nahana nahi hai, baal nahi dhone, so many problems. But nowadays, this cataract surgery has become a very easy one. It takes half an hour, everything is done. Okay. So, these type of problems, myopia, far away objects not visible properly, use the concave lens. Hypermetropia, nearby objects not visible clearly, distinctively, use the convex lens. Cataract surgery. As new membrane has developed on the cornea, and the cornea has become cloudy or the image is not blurred and all that clear. Okay, go for surgery, everything is over. Now, care of the eye. How we should take care of our eyes? सारी बातें हैं. ये थोड़ी बातें जो हमने whatsoever we have discussed, they will come under the care. How to take care of the eyes? First of all, cleaning. Cleaning मतलब क्या है? At least 2 times in a day you should wash your eyes. Washing doesn't mean जोर जोर से पानी को मारना. आराम से. You take it, you can say water in the bowl, dip your eyes in the bowl. Open your eyes like this. हल्का पानी से just splash नहीं करना है उसे, just थोड़ा हल्का पानी, आप हल्के हाथों से पानी से आप अपनी आईज को वॉश कर सकते हैं. क्लीनिंग, जिनमें से डस्ट पार्टिकल, दिस एंड कोई भी फॉरेन पार्टिकल चला गया है, you can remove that. But if you can keep your eye open in a water bowl and all that, that is more better way to clean your eyes. Okay? Yes, dim or bright light. You should, while you are studying, if the light is not proper, you will get strained while studying and you may have headache also. Dim light, not proper light. And if the light is more, suppose if you start watching the bright sun, can you see the bright sun continuously for some time? No. Electric welding arcs and all that, वो जो electric welding कर रहे होते हैं, वो bright light होती है. क्या आप कभी आपने देखा है welder को? He is using special type of specs. वो goggles special होती हैं, काले रंग का चश्मा होता है जिसको वो लगाकर आर्क यूज करता है. वो वेल्डिंग आर्क, जो वेल्डिंग की रॉड है जिससे वो वेल्ड करता है, इलेक्ट्रिक वेल्ड करता है, उसको वो यूज करता है. व्हाई? Reason being, this bright light is also dangerous for the retina. It may burn your sensitive cells. It may burn your retina or may create a blind spot there. So, dim light, problem, bright light, again problem. That means as and when you are studying or doing some activity, the light should be proper and you should not watch the bright light directly. Try to avoid the bright light. Okay? Yes. Proper distance while reading. Yes, हमने पढ़ा था. Vision, ठीक है? Range of vision. Range of vision में क्या था? Far away infinity, no problem. आप कोई दूर की चीज देख रहे हैं, आराम से देखिए, no problem. But when you are studying, the distance between you and your book should be proper. It should not be more than 1 feet and it should not be less than 25 centimeters. Because in both ways, you are going to get strained and you may feel headache and you may lose the eyesight. It may cause problem of what? Myopia or hypermetropia. Yes. Next point is proper distance while reading. Rest and relax. Yes. अब क्या है बच्चों? These days, अभी आया था ना, online study. You are watching YouTube and all that. Continuously watching cell phone for hours and hours. It is going to have a bad effect on your eyesight. क्या करना है बच्चों? कंप्यूटर पे आप people who are working in offices and you are using computer throughout the day. After some time, after half an hour, 40 minutes, just close your eyes. Relax. Yes. Rest and relax. Give rest to your eyes for a half a minute, 1 minute. It will save your eyes. It will protect your eyes. That means relax, rest and relax is a must. Continuous watching. अब क्या तो छोटे बच्चे आजकल क्या होता है बच्चों, मम्मी क्या करती हैं, बच्चा दूध नहीं पीता, उसे वो वीडियो फिल्म सी लगा देती हैं, वो क्या कहते हैं आजकल कार्टून फिल्म लगा दी, दूध पिला दिया, कार्टून फिल्म लगा दी, खाना खिला दिया. Not good for the health, eyesight of the child. Because continuous watching TV, continuous watching the computer screen or continuous watching your cell phone is also going to have a bad effect on your eyes. So, rest and relax. Next, external injury. Yes. बच्चों क्या होता है, sometimes when we are playing, sometimes when we are riding the cycle and all that, some external particle goes into your eyes. Insect आपके आंखों के अंदर चला जाता है. Never rub. अक्सर होता क्या है बच्चों, जैसे ही मच्छर घुसता है, that may injure your eye. अल्सर हो सकता है आपकी आंख के अंदर, wound हो सकता है आपकी आंख के अंदर. The best way is, if an insect goes into your eyes, just close your eyes, slightly press with your palm, अपनी हथेली से उसे हल्का दबाइए, for just what? Maximum 30 to 40 seconds. What will happen? That insect is not going to get any oxygen. He will die and come on the corner of you, this eyelid. ऐसे करिए, निकाल दीजिए. This is my personal experience. Wash your eyes. Dust particle चले गए आपके. Never rub. Never rub. Just wash gently with the warm water or cold water which suits you. Insects, just press it like this. Remove the insect. Or yes, if some problem persists, go and consult the doctor. Okay? Yes. Next. Any injury, do not rub. Reading blackboard. Yes, मैंने अभी बात की ना आपसे, myopia. If you are not in a position to see the far away things distinctively and properly, clearly, go to the doctor. He will tell you, okay, what is the problem? If myopia is there, he will give you the spectacles with proper concave lens power and all that, and you will be all right. Next, any injury or any sort of problem. कभी क्या चोट लग जाती है, कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है. Never try your local formulas at home. वो कई बार दादी बोल देती है, नानी बोल देती है, इसके अंदर हनी डाल लो, शहद डाल लो, ये कर लो, वो कर लो. डोंट डू दिस. सबसे पहले मैंने आपको क्या कहा था, ह्यूमन आई इज ए वेरी सेंसिटिव सेंस ऑर्गन, वेरी सेंसिटिव। आंख है तो जहान है। So, if any sort of injury, some external injury is there, never use homemade pukas. Always consult a good eyesight doctor. Yes, proper diet, yes, vitamin A. Vitamin A keeps your eyes healthy. Take that diet which contains vitamin A. 6th में हमने पढ़ा था, पालक खाइए, मैंगो है, पपिया है, ब्रोकली है. There are so many vegetables and fruits which contain vitamin A. Cod liver oil, fish liver oil जिसको भी बोलते हैं, यानी मछली के लीवर का ऑयल. Cod liver, if you are non-vegetarian, enjoy that. That means thing is you should take proper quantity of vitamin A which is required to keep your eyesight healthy. Okay? Yes. Now, if you are not taking vitamin A properly, it may cause night blindness. What is night blindness? Inability of eye to see properly in dim light or particularly at night. यानी रात को ढंग से दिखाई ना देना. Night blindness is inability of eye to not to see properly in dim light. Inability of light to see dim light. Night, particularly during night, क्या है? अंधेरा होते ही कुछ लोगों को क्या हो जाता है? प्रॉपरली दिखाई देना बंद हो जाता है. That means they are suffering from what? Night blindness. और वो क्यों होती है? Lack of vitamin A. और continuously बच्चों क्या, if there is lack of vitamin A in your diet, you may become partially or total blind also at a later date. So, in your diet, vitamin A, vegetables and fruits must be there. Now, so this is all about the defects of eye, how to take care of the eye, night blindness. Yes, but there is one more concept, color blindness. Cones, which are sensitive to bright light, and they give you the sensation of colors. In few persons, eyes of the few persons, cones are not as per the required number. जो cone sensitive cells हैं, they are not in appropriate number. So what will happen? Sensation of light. वो क्या है? He is in a position to see the things. Image बनता है, वो ऑप्टिक नर्व से, रेटिना से, वो इमेज ऑप्टिक नर्व से इलेक्ट्रिकल सिग्नल्स जाते हैं, ब्रेन उनको इंटरप्रेट करता है, इमेज बनती है, देख पाता है. बट sensation of colors is not proper. He is not in a position to distinguish the color properly. उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? कलर ब्लाइंडनेस. क्या है बच्चों? अब तो मालूम नहीं है, पहले ये था. If your eyesight is having this problem, color blindness, you can never be issued the driving lessons. Driving lessons नहीं मिलता है. You cannot drive. Reason being, if in a busy town and all that where the red lights are there, your eyes will not be in a position to distinguish whether the light is red or it is orange or green. You may dash someone, hit accident करेंगे आप, तो driving lessons नहीं मिलता color blindness पे. Okay? So next, eyes of other animals. Yes, very interesting bच्चों. हमने वो body movements में पढ़ा था, snail के बारे में. वो क्या होता है बच्चों? उसके लॉन्ग टेंटेकल्स, उसके ऊपर आईज होती हैं. दो द आई क्रैब, कुछ ऐसे इंसेक्ट्स हैं एज लाइक क्रैब, स्मॉल बट उन्हें स्टॉक, वो जो टेंटेकल्स निकले हैं उनके ऊपर उसकी आईज है. क्रैब के अंदर स्मॉल आईज हैं, ऑन ए स्टॉक हैं, बिकॉज द आईज आर प्रेजेंट ऑन ए स्टॉक. वो टेंटेकल्स के ऊपर है, ही कैन सी ऑल अराउंड. बटरफ्लाई, यस, ब्यूटीफुल. द आई ऑफ द बटरफ्लाई तो क्या है बच्चों, इन कंपेरिजन टू द साइज ऑफ द बटरफ्लाई, द साइज ऑफ द आई इज वेरी बिग. इट इज a compound eye, it's not a single eye. Compound eye, more than 1,000 eyes, compound eye है वो. And because of this, butterfly can see all around. आपने कभी नोट किया बच्चों, तितली बड़ी अच्छी लगती है, उसे पकड़ने के लिए आप धीरे धीरे पीछे से जाते हो, जैसे ही आप उसके पास पहुंचते हो आपका हाथ उड़ जाते हैं. क्यों? बटरफ्लाई कैन सी ऑल अराउंड, बैक साइड, फ्रंट एंड साइड आल्सो. लाइकवाइज आउल, यस, जिसे हम क्या बोलते हैं, नाइट बर्ड. यहां भी एक बच्चों ब्यूटी है. आपने देखा बच्चे कभी आउल उल्लू को देखा है बच्चों? उसका क्या होता है बच्चों, आउल के अंदर क्या है बच्चों, उसका जो कॉर्निया होता है बहुत बड़ा होता है साइज में, और जो प्यूपिल होता है, ये जो हमारा ब्लैक स्पॉट है आइस के अंदर, उसे हम प्यूपिल बोलते हैं. जो आइरिस के अंदर, जो मिडल के अंदर जो स्लिट है, प्यूपिल. द साइज ऑफ द प्यूपिल इन केस ऑफ दिस आउल इज वेरी बिग, बहुत बड़ा होता है बच्चों. A lot of light can go inside. And why the lot of light can go inside? Reason being, on the retina of the eye of the owl, absence of what? Less cones, more rods. Rods क्या है बच्चों? Rods are sensitive to dim light. मैं आपको थोड़ा बताता हूं बच्चों, how to remember which sensitive cells are sensitive to which light, which cell is. RD बच्चों, बैंक में कभी गए हो आप? RD, recurring deposit. RD, recurring deposit. Rods mean dim light. Cones mean bright light. That's all. आपको याद रहेगा. यानी rods dim light है तो cones अपने आप ही bright light को sensitive है. Rods are sensitive to dim light. RD, recurring deposit. इससे याद रख सकते हो आप. आपको confuse नहीं होगा. Okay? So, more rods. Sensitive cells, rods are more, which can dim light है अगर, तो वो है. कोन्स नहीं है. ब्राइट लाइट को जो विजुअलाइज ब्राइट लाइट में कर सके, कलर को डिस्टिंग्विश कर सके प्रॉपरली, कोन्स आर वेरी लेस, रोड्स आर मोर. अब उसमें क्या है बच्चों, वाई, दैट इज वाई द pupil size of the pupil in the owl eye is more. अब क्या होता है बच्चों, शाम के ब्राइट लाइट, दिन के अंदर लाइट है, ब्राइट लाइट है, सेंसिटिव सेल्स नहीं है, कॉन्स नहीं है, ही इज अनेबल टू सी. लेकिन जैसे ही थोड़ा अंधेरा होता है, नाइट होती है, जो डिम लाइट है, वो उसका प्यूपिल साइज बहुत बड़ा है, डिम लाइट गोज इनसाइड, more rods. The rods are sensitive to what? Dim light. He is in a position to see the things at night. इसीलिए हम आउल को नाइट बर्ड बोलते हैं. Likewise, day bird, आपका sparrow, eagle, all that. Though the eyes are small, but in this case, cones are more, rods are less. जो आपके डे बर्ड्स है, आपने देखा होगा बच्चों, दिन के अंदर सुबह होती है, पक्षी चहचहाते हैं, and they fly to get food, to catch food for themselves and for their kids. Those are waiting in nests. उनके घोंसलों में जो उनके बच्चे इंतजार कर रहे हैं, चोंच से अपनी खिलाते हैं. तो वो जो डे बर्ड्स हैं, उनके अंदर क्या है बच्चों, more cones, less rods. More cones means bright sensitive cells are more, bright light sensitive cells are more, dim light sensitive cells, rods are very less. इवनिंग होते होते हर पक्षी अपने आलने में आके छिप जाता है, रेस्ट फरमाता है. सो नाइट बर्ड, डे बर्ड. नेक्स्ट बच्चों क्या है, विजुअली चैलेंज पर्संस. Visually challenged persons, that means those persons who are unable to see. Who are unable to see? Persons, those who are blind since birth, or due to some injury or accident, they have lost their eyesight. these persons are known as what? Visually challenged person because of injury, some disease or since birth. Disease में से smallpox, बड़ी माता जिसको बोलते थे, चिकन पॉक्स है, smallpox है. Now there is no smallpox. Smallpox stand eradicated from the world. But earlier smallpox, sometimes it used to attack your eyes and eyesight lost, unable to see throughout the life. So either injury, oh no, okay, either injury, disease or since birth. So those persons we cannot see because of any problem due to injury, disease or birth and all that. They are known as visually challenged person. And when they are visually challenged, they cannot see means helpless. They are not suffering from myopia, hypermetropia or cataract. It can be corrected. This problem cannot be set right by any type of using concave or the convex lenses and all that. No surgery, nothing can be done. But yes, these days so many innovative things have come that these visually challenged persons are studying also. Recently, but I think about 1 month or so back, our deputy commissioner, the DC of the Fatehabad town, was a visually challenged person. He has become IAS. Willpower. And one thing, beauty is, क्या है बच्चों? The person, those who are visually challenged persons, they develop the other sense organs, highly developed, sense of touch, sense of hearing. They develop highly skilled and all in a way that they can, by listening to the videos tape, audio tapes, they retain that in their memory. सुनने के बाद वो उनके मेमोरी चिप में फीड रहता है. And these days, you can see have blind schools are there. They are imparting good education. But yes, during the year 1821, Louis Pasteur, who was himself a blind man, he became blind due to some accident, all that at the age of 3. Louis not Pasteur, Louis Brill, yeah, sorry. Louis Pasteur हुआ जिसका मेरे दिमाग में आ गया वो पेंसिलिन वाला लुइस पास्चर. Sorry बच्चों. Louis Brill. Brill system was introduced in the year 1821. It was accepted. First book on the Brill system was published in 1827. 21 में he has given the system that yes, visually challenged person can also study. क्या बच्चों? वो कैसे था? उसने क्या एक सिस्टम डेवलप किया? He has used 63 commutation and permutation, 63 patterns. Suppose this paper is there with some particular, वो क्या है बच्चों? Raised dots, यानी कि कुछ dots हैं और raise है. If you touch with your finger, जैसे हम कहते हैं ना बच्चों, आजकल क्या है बच्चों, आपके जो न्यू नोट्स हैं, न्यू नोट्स है, 100 रुपीज नोट, 500 रुपीज नोट, उनके एक साइड के अंदर आइदर ट्रायंगल इज देयर, स्क्वायर इज देयर और डॉट इज देयर, डार्क कलर ब्लैक डॉट इज देयर. इफ यू टच विद योर फिंगर, इट इज बिट रेज्ड. A blind person can tell whether this is a 100 rupees note, 500 rupees note or 2000 rupees note. You ask your papa, he will show you the currency. And that triangle, square and round spot you can get on the one side of the note. Sorry बच्चों, मेरा लाना भूल गया, मेरी पॉकेट में शायद नहीं है इस वक्त, otherwise I would have shown you. Yeah, sorry बच्चों. Next, I will show you clearly. Okay. So, what is that? थोड़ा raised spot है वो. By touching that note, he can tell, yes, it is 100, 500 or 2000 rupees note. Likewise, Braille system, raised dots are there and there are 63 patterns. कहने का मतलब क्या है? 6 type of raisings can be there, combination and all that. If ऊपर वाले दो, जैसे ये 8 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6, these two are raised one, it is C. 2, all fours are not raised. By touching the paper, वो क्या है? He is taking his finger, yes, slide कर रहा है अपनी finger को वो. First is 2 dots. Next is 1 dot on the left side, A. Then 4 dots, 1 on the last, 2 side में है. That means 2 dots on this side, upper side में है. 2 dots out of 3 on the lower side. T. So he can tell, yes, cat. He will just go on sliding his finger slowly and he will combine the words. 2 dots, 1 dot, then 4 dots. But different patterns he can recognize. I told you just now that these blind persons, they highly develop their other skills. Other skill means sense of touch, sense of, you can say, listening and all that. So by touch, इनका इतना sense of touch इतना ज़्यादा highly develop हो जाता है that they go on just sliding their finger, they go on feeling inside and they go on just combining the alphabet. जैसे हम नर्सरी में LKG में पढ़ते हैं ना, CAT, cat, he will do it like this, CAT, yes, cat. And if there are 5 dots, 3 on this side, 2 on this side, and middle one is missing, when he will just touch 3, 2, but 1 is missing. ये किसको रिप्रेजेंट करता है? ए एंड डी एंड. ऐसा उन्होंने क्या है, 63 पैटर्न्स बना रखे हैं बच्चों. 63 patterns of dots, raised dots. They can, yes, but they can understand alphabets, common words. अब कोमा है, हम बताते हैं ना, एक सेंटेंस लिखते हैं, you have to use using this comma. Comma use. What is that? Out of the 6 positions, bottom 2 if they are raised, जो bottom वाली 2 है, ऊपर वाली चारों नहीं है, bottom वाली दोनों raised है, it is comma. Yes, you have to give a comma. So by using the Braille system, even physically challenged, visually challenged person can also study. और बच्चों क्या है इसमें, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, these persons, they develop their other sense organs in a very high technical manner. And yes, willpower is also there. और बच्चों, there are very good names in the history. Those who are blind and become scholars. American lecturer, Helen Keller. She lost her eyesight at the age of 18 months only. But he has become a lecturer in the American university. He has published so many books. John Milton, he was blind since birth. But he became a great poet. उसकी बच्चों poems literature में BA universities के अंदर उसकी poems को पढ़ाया जाता है. I have also read in pre-med and all that. But there was one poem poetry में थी उसकी, on his blindness. On his John Milton. On his blindness. विलियम वर्डवर्थ आपने नाम सुना होगा, बहुत अच्छे राइटर थे. लेकिन जॉन मिल्टन, ही वॉज ए ब्लाइंड मैन सिंस बर्थ. आपके ग्रेट म्यूजिक कंपोजर रविंद्र जैन, इंडिया में रविंद्र जैन, ही वॉज ब्लाइंड बट ही वॉज ए वेरी गुड म्यूजिक कंपोजर. बहुत सी फिल्मों में उन्होंने अपना म्यूजिक दिया है. और एक यंग मैन बाय द नेम दिवाकर, ही इज ए वेरी गुड सिंगर. He's a very good singer. So, you should visualize that visually challenged person can also do wonders. They can also do miracles. That means अगर आपकी आंखें नहीं है तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि your life is no more. Yes. Accept the challenge. God has given you the life, though He has made you blind because of injury or some birth and all that, yes, but still, God has given you this beautiful life. Accept the challenge. Go ahead in your life. So many things are there. And these days, बच्चों क्या है? This Braille system is not only available in this cat, bat, rat, ant, and common, all that. I mean, not in English only. In so many Indian languages, South Indian languages, and this Hindi, Urdu, apna this English, any language. So great opportunity for visually challenged person. So I think with this, the end of the topic. No more, nothing I think left in the chapter light. Any problem, bachcho, please contact me. Always free. Okay, chaliye. With this we end. And yes, I already told you in the last lesson, we will be starting our 18th chapter first. Water pollution and soil pollution. It will take 3-4 lectures, and if winter vacations are there, we will finish it before. Otherwise, we will start the solar system. It is going to take 7-8 lectures. We may not be in a position to complete that. Okay? Enjoy your study. Thank you.